gentlemen, please welcome the 42nd President of the United States, William Jefferson Clinton, accompanied by California Lieutenant Governor John Garamendi.
It is a celebration. Anytime you're with William Jefferson Clinton, it's a celebration. It's a celebration of a great president and a great presidency and good times in America. 8 great years. Mr. President, thank you so very, very much for that. I was thinking earlier in the day, how I would start this off, and I remember back in 1991, you were doing a tour of California in preparation for the campaign in '92, and we had met at an office building in Los Angeles in West LA, and we had about 15 minutes to talk. And your staff, and I don't know where Justin went off to here a moment ago, but your staff, after about an hour and a half, came in and said, "That's it. It's over, you've got to stop." And you said, "We haven't finished discussing health care." Now that was a long time ago, and America's not finished discussing health care, but we're about to finish discussing health care, and we're going to get it right this time. We're going to get it right. You carried the water in '92. It was one of your major programs in '92. You said we can do this. It didn't happen. Congress went the other way on us. But now, after these many, many years, America really has to get the health care issue resolved. We've got many, many things to do. I'm anxious to be your congressman. I want to be back there. I want to be back there. These issues of health care have been my issues for more than 3 decades now. And I know we can make it better in America. I know that we can't afford to spend 18% of our GDP on a system that just reported once again that we rank at the very bottom of all the industrial nations on how well we actually take care of people, how well we actually are able to maintain our health. We've got an enormous challenge. And I know that right now, all across this nation, the insurance companies are rising up and saying, "Oh no, it's okay. Just let us have another 40 million people. We'll take care of them." Yeah, I know exactly how they'll take care of them. I was an insurance commissioner. This I understand. The reality of this is that we can really solve this. The insurance reforms are important. We also know that the issues of a public option give us the opportunity to have a decent program available to all of us that will compete and force the insurance companies to stay in line. It's not going to be easy. And I know this, that it's not going to happen without men and women, families, businesses all across this nation saying, it's up to us. It's up to us to stand. It's up to us to fight. It's up to us to make our voices heard. The insurance industry did it loud and clear in August. Okay, this is now October. And it's time for all of us, wherever we are, whatever part of this great California that you happen to live in, it's time for us to stand and to say, let us get this done once and for all. Public option, insurance reform, let's do it right. I will be there with your help and support on November the 3rd. And I know that one of the reasons that I will be successful is that this president gave Patty and I an opportunity to work in Washington, D.C. and to be part of an enormously successful administration. Those years that we spent there were precious to us, President Clinton, and we thank you. We thank you for that experience, that opportunity. We look forward to going back, this time in a different role, and we look forward to, once again, having the opportunity to serve in Washington, D.C. Let me introduce to you our President, William Jefferson Clinton.
Thank you very much. Let me, first of all, thank you very much. No, sit down. Thank you. I was sit, everybody. Before I met the Garamendis, I didn't know anything about the history of the Basques in America. And since we're here at the Basque Cultural Center, and I think we should thank our hosts. They've made us all feel very welcome here. Thank you very much. About 34 years ago, almost 34 years ago, Hillary and I together first went into the Basque Country in northern Spain and fell into, in community after community, one interesting thing after another. And I loved it all. I loved the festivals, I loved the celebration, I loved everything except the fish and cold milk. I had real difficulty with that, and I remember that after 34 years. Otherwise, it was an ace, 100% deal with me. I was ready to become a Basque.